All right, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the... No, it's not. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and this is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I got one from Otoki, America, made in South Korea. This is their Tempura Udon. It's in new packaging. Gosh, I don't even know when I had this before. I couldn't even find it, so I may have not had it. I looked up Otoki Udon, and nothing. So, yeah. Very odd, though. I swear I've had it. But I guess I was wrong. It happens. Not very common for that to happen. Anyways, you load this all up. Ooh, we need to get you out of there. Oh, we need one of you. There, you hop in there for now. You'll see, don't worry. Where's that? There's that fill line. Do you hear that? Listen, I don't know if it'll pick it up. That is one really loud bowl of noodles. It's all. Yeah, 4 minutes. So, it seems like there are just more and more fires and unrest. Oh, there was a story yesterday about this. This guy was going to go to a church and kill his wife and children, right? Like revenge style, blah, 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 blah. Anyways, he goes there and they're not at church. So he just like looks around and they're like, no, they're not here. They're not here. It's like, well, I'm gonna have to kill somebody. So he kills a lady and her daughter, right? Could you imagine being the intended target and finding that out? It's like, think of the music. Can you imagine that? It'd be like, you'd be all, it was supposed to be me, but these people were there instead of me. But I don't know. That sounds jacked up to begin with. The whole thing sounds jacked up. But, you know, what do you do? But I'm sure there's some form of like survivor's guilt with that. Oh. So did the Epstein crap come out? That's all anybody cares about right now. Inflation numbers up. There's now either make peace with Ukraine or I'll impose secondary 100% sanctions on you, Russia. And that's like, I have a feeling that's a taco. It's July 15th today. We've got all these sanctions that are supposed to start August 1st. So he's got plenty of time to chicken out. Plenty. And I expect it. I totally expect it. Like Mexico and Canada, they're already saying that by now tomatoes may be way up. It's like tomatoes. Business in Seattle that makes it's like an Italian restaurant said, if tomatoes go up like 10%, we'll be out of business. It's like, wow, that bad, huh? So, tomatoes. People like them. I like them. I have nothing against the mighty tomato. Where'd I put it over here. That's the thing I need. Thank God. The last one of today. I'm sorry, folks, but I do not feel at all well. Like I mentioned, I got like this funky welt on my leg. I had a virtual visit. Oh yeah, that's infected. But I don't know. It might be a coincidence, and I might have really torn a muscle in my leg. I hope not. That would really put a cramp in my style. I don't have time for such things. Anyways, here's our udon. Okay, after 4 minutes, the hydration on these, I am not at all impressed. They're soggy. Yeah, I'm bummed about that. Here's some broth. It's about as what I expected. A few brands make this kind of stuff, and generally I don't like any of them. So I like the snazzy new packaging, I'll say that. I was gonna microwave it, but after having something explode earlier in the microwave, I'm kind of like, I'm not gonna tempt fate. It does have a nice amount of veg once you get to it, mostly seaweed, of course, and it does have narutamaki, little ones. Gotta get rid of some of this noodle. There's like no saving the imagery of this unless I do. The imagery. Bloody hell. Yeah, I mean, insofar as... Let's give the noodles another try, actually. I don't think these are going to get saved from my ire. Oh, that's awful. Which is really weird, because I generally love Otoki's noodles. The other option, yeah, was microwaving it, but no way. No, sir. It comes with narutamaki, but here's my own. And yeah, I think we're good. This is gonna look crummy, and yeah. So there you go. Well, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. There'll be another episode soon. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.